Do you need any help in the last movement with the jumps?
Yeah. Well, even this, I'm not. This never. It's such an amazing moment, but
Isn't it?
yeah, but it's never quite enough. Somehow, what I put.
So first, let me help you solve the physical difficulty
Okay.
there of jumping back and forth.
Yeah.
So put your, let's take here, this is a good one. Play the G and the A that you're going to play there. Right. And don't even think of going up yet.
Okay.
Now, I'm going to tie you to that spot, and I want you to pull away from it as if there's an elastic tether.
Mm-hmm.
And as soon as you let go, it snaps back there. So
Mm.
here, put your left hand there. Yeah. And now play this.
Mm-hmm.
And now stretch something elastic. You stretch it, you stretch it, you stretch it, but whenever you let go of it, it immediately goes back there.
Oh, yeah.
Now try a little of the passage. So you're trying to go up as fast as you can because you're worried you're not going to get down as fast. You've now got this pulling you back down. You don't need to get up there. You can just go up there and take all the time in the world you want because you're not going to have any problems getting back down.
Okay.
Let's keep you on the very first note a little bit. Because you're accelerating a little too much there.
Oh.
Going up to the high note.
Mm-hmm.
Did you hear the difference when you spin?
Yeah.
Take more time getting up to the.
Okay.
That's it. No, it was too soon.
Yeah.
You're still jumping ahead of time.
Yeah.
Don't get ahead of the pulse.
Okay.
Just hold on to this longer. And then go on to hold, hold.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. That's fine.
Okay, yeah.
Be careful of a Beethoven fortissimo as against a Mozart one. Now, one other thing I could point out of this that might be useful are the different layers of voices here. You've got that's one voice. So you have something happening here, then you have something happening here, and you have something happening there, and up here. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different pitch ranges. And what you want to do is make sure that each one is kept active. That one's kept active. This one is kept active. I'm keeping each one alive.
Yeah.
I'm not so much worrying about how I get from one to the other. It's like those circus performers who spin the plates on,
Oh,
you
yeah.
know, and they're spinning and they're all the way over here and they notice that the first plate is slowing down too much, so they got to run back to the first one and keep that one spinning.
Yeah.
So it's sort of like, okay, I got that going in this range, but then I go away, so I've got to go back to it and keep it alive. But now I've been away from that for a while, so I've got to come back and keep that one alive.
Yeah.
And now I've got to put the first note of that layer in. So it's like, maybe it's the cellos and the violas, and I don't know, seconds and the first, but well, the first and the seconds aren't different enough. Flutes and clarinets, violas and cellos. And you just want to make sure that you're keeping all of those things alive all at once.
Yeah.
And that's more important than the specific order in which you play them. Keep each pitch range alive and warm and vibrant. Not like the note from the other pitch range, but like the note that preceded it in the same pitch range.
Yeah.
This didn't really keep that alive.
Yeah.
And then when you got here, I got the loudness part of it, but the B flat there, you could say that that's a premature resolution to that.
Mhm.
But what I'd really like to hear instead of that is that this goes to this.
Mm.
This is another voice, and that this one moves there. And then I go back up to that one. Now, where am I? Oh, yeah, that's too loud because I didn't play that one like that. It's constantly updating your memory as to what you did with the last note in that pitch range.
Huh.
Yes. I'm missing the missing voice
Hmm.
because I got the top, I've got that one. That's beautiful, by the way. It's really coming along.
Yeah.
But once you're into some of this stuff or this stuff,
Mhm.
this range disappears,
Hmm.
the tenor.
Yeah.
And I wonder if you, in your imagination, can keep a place marker. It's like my psychotherapy group. If somebody were absent on a given night, we still
Yeah.
put a chair out for them,
Oh.
as if
cool.
they were still there. It's like,
Yeah.
so
Huh.
can you keep? I don't think this sounds good as three voices. I think this
Yeah.
needs the presence of.
Mhm.
It needs that A to keep its presence felt. Even
Yeah.
in imagination. Isn't that amazing? The most important thing was the thing you weren't playing.
Yeah, it's really funny.
That's gonna be fun.
Okay.
You just have to decide which way to tether.
Yeah.
It's either you want to keep yourself tethered down there, where this stretches that out, but then you immediately fall back, snap back in. Or you could tether up here and play this as the stretching, and then it gets snaps back to there.
Hmm.
And then you stretch the tether, but it snaps right back, and it snaps right back.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, two ends. You just decide which is the stabilizing, anchoring end, and which one are you going to stretch the spring against.
Yeah.